Welcome to the 3-minute guided meditation for focus. This is a lovely and wonderful meditative exercise when you feel overwhelmed or stressed out by how much you have to do, or if you're getting lost in not being able to concentrate through your studies or your homework. So please go ahead and take a moment and get settled in a comfortable seat. I would highly recommend that you have your back flat against something so that you feel supported through this exercise. Go ahead and choose an eye gaze that feels useful and comfortable for you. And just breathe naturally and normally. You're not going to change anything about the way that you're breathing. You're just going to let things be. As you get settled, we'll begin now. As you sit, notice any of the sounds around you. You may notice the sound of my voice. You may notice something in the background. If you're outside, you may notice the nature sounds, or perhaps cars or people going by. You may notice other noises coming from other rooms. Just notice any sounds that are coming outside and around you. Next, I want you to transition your focus to how you feel in your body physically. You can start with the top of your head and work your way through your body down to your tippy toes, or you can start with wherever you're noticing any sort of physical sensations. These could be pleasant or unpleasant. They could be comfortable or uncomfortable. Just notice where you feel different sensations physically in your body without making an effort to move or adjust. Though if it's really painful, don't suffer unnecessarily. Please go ahead and adjust in a way that you need to. Though I would try to challenge yourself to just notice your physical experience right now. Now I'd like you to bring your attention and awareness to your breath. I want you to notice how it feels to breathe in through your nose and slowly out through your mouth. You can go ahead and speed up or slow down your breath. You can play around with it here, notice how it feels. Or you can just simply breathe normally and naturally without making an effort to change or adjust your breathing here. You are doing an amazing job, and I am so proud of you. After this last inhale in and exhale, I want you to bring your attention and awareness and focus back to your physical body sensations. And then go ahead and bring your attention and awareness back to the noises and sounds surrounding you. I really hope that you enjoyed this 3-minute guided meditation for focus. As you are ending this guided meditation, go ahead and flutter your eyelids open if they're closed. Go ahead and shift your position or seat. And remember that you can always take a moment to pause, notice, and breathe. And this can help to recalibrate and reset your focus and attention. I wish you well.